Hi guys, so I just want to share one of my realization this day. Kasi gusto ko na siyang i-brain dump sa inyo para hindi ko na makalimutan. But ay hindi ko na pahabain. Ayun lang, na-realize ko lang na mas okay and effective pala if you're writing things down. So ako kasi I'm not used to write things kahit na may inaaral ako or parang nakikinig ako sa mga coaching sessions and all. So, ayun. I tend to forget it. But right now, na-realize ko na super effective pala ng writing. Lalo na yung mga thoughts mo. If you have goals and priorities, if you write it down, mas nagiging clear siya. So, nakakakuha ka ng clarity. So, yes, here's what I did. So, you can use highlighter as well para mas ma-highlight nyo at mas matandaan nyo yung mga important things. So, I hope